Hello family, you are welcome to AMB Studios. And Ebisua Kwanya first to create international TikTok account with our TikTok mobile app. And who here so be connect any VPN or be call any website to say who could create international TikTok account. With these simple steps, you will be able to create international TikTok account within a minute. Let's get it. Firstly, we call your TikTok app and also so now we're back. Hey, we profile and so now we're about Udin also like this. We see this surface. Now we're about add account. Yeah, best. You be creating new account, so you will sign up. A high network, pay attention, and so okay as your own by continuing with an as account location in Ghana. Here's the trick. So we also might highlight Ghana. Bosaga no so highlighting then you will see this. So select country or region. How now over select country or say or account to locate in. I hope you understand it. So search US, United States. So you need United States, and here's it. Yambo United States also. Say Charlie by continuing with an account location in US, United States. So you will see that accounts now will be creating a bit busy in US. So let's continue. Also. Obetimi create with your number or whatever by you use Google accounts and they create. So just fill in the necessary things. I know the date of birth. Date of birth. Okay, next. Yes, this is your nickname. You confirm this thing and something like so yes, and your international accounting, are you ready? Just these simple steps. Let's see if then you can see that balance is here. That means the account is complete. Let's go. Even say who create account anyway. Now creator rewards programmer. Like I said, account international account. A international TikTok account because a busy in country a supported creator rewards program, and here is our own. You are so close to join creator rewards program. Here is it. Yeah, boom. Send any first time I audition video, I must also subscribe to my YouTube channel. na wa like me video no Mr. Obenye selfish say video where Emma unua bi a no so ohia international TikTok account edi adi na dwuma bia. Peace.